What? I can't have any of those.
No.
Why not? Because you. Okay, but are you my friend now?
No.
Why not? So why aren't you my friend? What did I do? I was being rude to you?
Yeah.
How was I being rude to you?
Yeah, I would like to know.
Wait. I was being rude to you in your face? I wasn't being mean to you.
Yeah.
I was just telling you not to throw your bear in the air. You kept throwing it in the air.
No. That was funny. It was not funny.
It wasn't funny. I kept telling you not to throw it.
It is funny.
It is funny? What?
Said no more games.
No more games?
Yeah.
No, what game? We weren't playing any games. Well, Nia's still my friend. Nia's still my friend, and your mommy's my friend, and daddy's my
This
friend.
is Nia.
Daddy.
And this is a ridiculous recording of Naeem being a jerk.
Yes. Nia, your hair's a mess.
I know. And my hair is a mess.
Yes. We couldn't see your hair earlier with the Kemar on. Now it's off. The Kemar was helping you with your hair. Hiding that. But it's not super bad. It's okay.
He is being very bad.
Yes, he is.
Observe.
You are being bad.
No.
Uh-huh. Okay, sure. You're not being bad. I love this part. It's so funny. Ah, he took the whole bottle.
This is ridiculous.
I'm Daddy's friend too. I'm Daddy's friend. Daddy went to the movies. That's why I'm watching you. Daddy and your mommy went to the movies, so I'm watching you all today.
1 bottle pop, 2 bottle pop, 3 bottle pop, 4 bottle pop, 5 bottle pop, 6 bottle pop, 7 bottle pop, pop. Don't take it like my skin, my skin, my skin. Don't take it like my skin, my skin. Oh, this is the vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. This is the vinegar, vinegar.
Mia, go put your pajamas on.
These are my pajamas.
This is your pajamas? You sure? Well, you can't sleep with these earrings on. Let's take the earrings out, and you can put them on tomorrow.
Okay. You're spending the night here?
Yes. Nia, you smell like candy.
Huh?
You smell like candy. Yes?
What did you say?
You smell like candy. Thank you. What happened? For Nia?
Excuse me, he said that he was going to throw that thing at me and you.
You were going to throw the horse at us?
Yeah, you remember the time when you threw that horse at somebody and then it got all the way up there?
Naeem, that's not nice to throw stuff at people.
I'm not.
You're not nice? Huh? You can't put it up there now. No. But don't throw it up there because you're not supposed to. Nia, just keep behaving and being good like you're doing, okay?
It's Monday.
What? Okay, Naeem. Okay, Naeem, we're done with
He
you.
has terrible behavior.
Yes. Okay, say bye, Nia.
Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, bye-bye. Terrible behavior. Bye-bye. Say bye. To the Monday. To the Monday.
Say bye, Naeem. Okay. Bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, sure.